organizing a conference specifically around one discipline is really great. It means that all the attendees are really focused on design as a global discipline and also the subdisciplines individually. It gives people the opportunity to move between, for example, narrative and system, and it's just a great way to have a nice focus to a conference.
I think that the conference directed at game designers, it's a great thing because there's so much you can do in form of lectures, but workshops are a lot more effective tool to pass them. And if there's a whole event focused only on that, you can run a lot of them.
The fact that this is a game design summit is wonderful, right? Allowing game designers and the industry to come together, have more hands-on interactions, dig deeper into core topics. You know, I had a great experience coming to present and run a workshop here at the summit. It seems like a great idea that should be continued, and even potentially doing additional summits for other disciplines, and not just design, but perhaps a business summit or other kinds of workshops as well.